What's going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and as you can see, the Project F450 is back. Gino's Auto Body absolutely killed it with the paint to match, with everything in the front you can see, to the mirrors, to the door handles. They absolutely knocked it out of the park, in my opinion. Well, guys, now that it's back from paint, you know what time it is. It is our turn to start working on this Project F450, and it's time to level it up with a lift kit. We have a wicked lift kit going on this Project F450, and I can't wait to see how this truck looks like after the lift kit. I think it's been enough talking and not enough wrenching in this video, so let me hop in the truck, bring it on over to Zach, and let's get this wicked lift installed. Well, guys, here it is. Zach absolutely smashed it in the shop with this 4-inch wicked lift kit. I think it looks absolutely stellar from when we first got it. Now, I know there is not a huge transformation in this part, but I promise you, once we get further down in the videos, it is going to get better and better. Now, as you can see, everything that we could possibly powder coat has been done, from springs, blocks, relocation brackets. Everything that we could possibly do has been powder coated white. Now, along with the wicked lift, we also have Fox shocks all around front and rear. Well, guys, that is it for this episode, where we dealt with all of our suspension components, from the wicked lift kit to the Fox shocks. Now, as for what we have coming up next, we have an MBRP exhaust and an SMB intake. So make sure to stay tuned for when that episode goes live, and I'll see you guys in the next one.